Today we're diving into After Effects to create some vibrant chrome text. Let's get started. Add your text layer and center it. Pre-compose the layer and call Chrome Text Comp. Add an environment map layer and pre-compose it as well. You can find it in the video description. Link its alpha mat to the text comp. Add a blobilize effect to our map. Link it to the text comp and set the values as in the video. Reduce the light height a bit. Now add a glass effect and customize the surface options. Increase the light height. Set the blobilize property to luminance. Add a new adjustment layer. Apply the curves effect to it and customize the curves as in the video. Duplicate the effect to increase its intensity. Add and increase the sharpen amount. Pre-compose all layers into one comp. And duplicate it.
If you're into animation, check our 4,000 templates for video editing.
Here you can find dozens of video templates for your project, from title animation to YouTube outros and much more. Pick a template for the software you use and preview all categories included inside. Video editing has never been easier.
So make sure you have visited our easyedit.pro website.
Add a glow effect to one of the duplicates. Set it as in the video. Duplicate the effect and change its settings. Rename the duplicate into Chrome Glow. Add a new adjustment layer and apply a 3D glasses effect to it. Set it as in the example. apply Gaussian blur and change the blurriness. Finally, add a noise effect and increase the amount of noise. Our Chrome text effect is ready.
If you like the result, make sure to hit the like button and follow our channel for more tutorials. See you in next video.